Hey buddy, in this peaceful moment of the evening, I have a special gift for you. This isn't just a nightly ritual, it's also a guide on the path to inner peace and tranquility. Now close your eyes and engrave these Buddhist-inspired habits into your heart. 1. Express gratitude. At the end of the day, feel deep gratitude for everything the universe has offered you. It could be the scent of a flower, a friend's smile, or a sunny afternoon. Thank each one and fill your heart with love. 2. Relive your day. Before going to bed, replay your day like a movie reel in your mind. Which moments uplifted you and which ones brought you down? Be honest with yourself and intend to be a wiser version of you tomorrow. 3. Focus on your breath. Take deep breaths, inhaling the energy of the universe with each breath. And as you exhale, let go of all your stress and worries. Let this be your meditation, emptying your mind and lightening your soul. 4. Release negativity. Put your negative thoughts into a balloon and release it into the sky. Invite loving and compassionate thoughts to take their place. 5. Do a loving kindness meditation. Open your heart and send love to all beings. Send good wishes to yourself, your family, friends, and the whole world. 6. Listen to your body. Pay attention to every signal from your body. Find the most comfortable position in your bed for a restful sleep. 7. Set intentions for tomorrow. Set intentions for tomorrow. Let these intentions motivate you and fill your day with positive thoughts. 8. Apply relaxation techniques. Relax your muscles, let your body unwind. Prepare for tomorrow with gentle yoga or meditation. 9. Sleep with positive thoughts. Before sleeping, fill your mind with beautiful thoughts. These thoughts will surround you through the night and help you have sweet dreams. 10. Leave the day behind. Now, leave all the burdens of the day behind. Accept what tomorrow brings and see each new day as a gift. By practicing these steps every night, continue your journey towards mental and spiritual balance. Remember, every day is a new beginning, and every night is an opportunity to be reborn under the stars. Now, close your eyes and embark on this beautiful journey. Good night, my friend. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Stay happy.